here are my 3 main secrets on what I use to get a slick pull back ponytail. One, I make sure my hair is detangled with a open tooth comb or brush before I actually go to my maybe closer bristle brush, which I am actually about to find right here. I love these thick bristle brushes because it really controls the way I am able to pull that hair back into place. As you see here, I make sure that it's laid down slick. Two, I use a product that I know that's going to keep my hair laid, and that is the Gator Grip Edge Control by Bayou Hair Care. This product here was sold out several times, and I'm glad to know it's back in stock, okay? I use this product. I slick it on my hair. I make sure my edges look the way they want to do, because once it's in there, it is very forgiving where you can add water to hydrate that product, but typically it is laid. My hair is not going to move. You see that, guys? I am not perm. I am a 4C natural hair girly, but this product has me looking like I am perm, so I can do a real nice slick back ponytail with no problems. And three, I use a great scrunchie to make sure that my hair is not going anywhere and I'm able to put everything in there. Now, once that scrunchie is on there, make sure you go back and redefine how you want your hair slicked down. That is exactly what I'm doing right there. Just making sure that everything is slick and put into place. And of course, I'm going to use one of my old faithful ponytails. This is a quick get out of the door, headed out somewhere hairstyle. So if you're looking for something along these lines, these are my go-to hacks for just something quick and easy. Now, I do rehydrate the product, and that is for that edge control, just to make sure that I have everything slicked down the way I want it. It is fast drying. It is 24+ hour hold. I highly advise, if you're looking for a product that to lay that hair down, this is a great one to do that with, especially if you have thick 4C hair, okay? Now, once that is in there, basically it's just redefining how you want your edges. That's the product again. Once you put that on, that is pretty much it. And this is me getting ready to get out of the door. I wanted you all to really see that product. I think it is phenomenal. Guys, just look at there. I do like my edges just like pull back a little bit. I don't like too much out. But this is pretty much it. I'm just redefining it. Oh, and my last brush is a 3-row edge brush.